Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, and if you're brand new here, oh my goodness, you picked the most perfect video to start with. Today we are diving deep into one of my absolute favorite design universes, a warm, neutral summer farmhouse inspired by the one and only Becki Owens. Think sun-washed linens, earthy textures, shiplap walls, and that gorgeous layered simplicity that just makes a home feel like a long exhale. This is the kind of space that says, come on in and stay a while. Before we get started, if you love home design inspiration like this, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. It truly means the world and helps me keep creating content just like this for you. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite room in your house. I love hearing from you. Now let's get into it. Your home's facade is the opening line of a beautiful story, and in Becki Owens' world, that story is told in warm whites, aged wood, and honest stone. Think white or soft creamy board-and-batten siding, paired with a rich black or deep bronze front door. That contrast is everything. Add a covered front porch with classic square columns, a porch swing in natural linen, and a few potted olive trees or lavender for that effortless summer softness. Board-and-batten, by the way, is a vertical siding style with alternating wide boards and narrow strips, and it is absolutely iconic in modern farmhouse design. Hang a simple wreath of dried cotton stems or eucalyptus on the front door, and you have already set the tone before anyone steps inside. The entryway in a Becki Owens-inspired farmhouse is one of the hardest working spaces in the home, and one of the most stylish. Start with a sturdy wooden console table in warm oak or whitewashed pine, and above it, hang an arched or round mirror with a raw wood or matte black frame to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Install simple black iron wall hooks for coats and hats. Think 3 to 5 hooks in a row for that clean, intentional look. A low shaker-style shoe cabinet in creamy white keeps footwear tucked away without sacrificing style. Finish with a natural jute or striped cotton runner on the floor, a small ceramic dish for keys, and maybe one fresh linen-wrapped candle. Layered, functional, and oh so inviting. The living room is where that signature Becki Owens magic really shines. Start with a neutral foundation, a linen or boucle sofa in warm ivory or soft oat, and layer in texture with chunky knit throws and pillows in terracotta, sage, and natural beige. Boucle, if you're new to the term, is a looped, textured fabric that adds incredible warmth and dimension to furniture. Anchor the seating arrangement with a large jute rug and a slatted wood or cane coffee table. For summer, swap out heavier drapes for sheer linen curtains that let the light pour in golden and soft. A cluster of creamy ceramic vases with dried pampas grass or fresh garden stems on the console table behind the sofa completes the look beautifully. Keep the color palette warm and tonal. Let the textures do the talking. A Becki Owens dining room is all about that effortless togetherness. Beautiful enough for a dinner party, relaxed enough for Tuesday night pasta. Go for a solid wood dining table in a natural or lightly whitewashed finish. A turned leg or trestle-style base is quintessential farmhouse. Pair it with a mix of upholstered dining chairs in oatmeal linen and a bench on one side for that relaxed, layered feel. For the tablescape, layer a linen table runner down the center. Add a cluster of white pillar candles at varying heights, a wooden dough bowl filled with summer lemons or eucalyptus stems, and mismatched ceramic plates in warm neutrals. Above the table, hang a statement rattan or woven pendant light for warmth and texture. Every detail here says, I set this table with love. Step into the kitchen, and you are immediately wrapped in that warm, curated farmhouse feeling Becki Owens does so brilliantly. Opt for shaker-style cabinets. Those are the ones with a simple recessed panel, in either a creamy white or a warm grayish tone, paired with unlacquered brass or matte black hardware for that lived-in elegance. A farmhouse apron front sink in white fire clay is non-negotiable. For appliances, a brushed stainless or matte black refrigerator keeps things sleek, while a classic gas or induction range with a white or black finish anchors the cooking zone. And for your small coffee station, tuck a compact espresso machine or pour-over setup on a wooden tray with a small ceramic mug collection nearby. It makes mornings feel like a ritual rather than a routine. The family room is where life actually happens. Homework, movie nights, lazy Sunday mornings, and in a farmhouse home, it should feel just as stylish as it does comfortable. Center the room around a large, wall-mounted flat-screen TV framed by open wood shelving or a shiplap feature wall. Shiplap is that iconic horizontal wood paneling synonymous with farmhouse style. It adds depth, warmth, and character instantly. Style the shelving with a mix of ceramic vessels, woven baskets, stacked books, and a few trailing greenery plants like pothos or ivy. Layer the seating with a deep-seated sectional sofa in a performance fabric, great for families, in warm sand or grayish tones, piled with pillows in varying textures. A large knitted throw draped casually over one arm finishes the room perfectly. In today's world, having a dedicated multifunctional nook for work and reading is both a luxury and a necessity, and with a little Becki Owens-inspired magic, it can be one of the most charming spots in your home. Choose a small, unique wooden desk, something with character, like a butcher block top or a vintage writing table, and pair it with a linen-upholstered task chair. On the desk, place a small antique-style brass desk clock, because nothing adds quiet elegance quite like a beautifully crafted timepiece. A compact vintage-style radio in warm tones adds personality and the joy of background music while you work. For the reading nook, tuck a round papasan or a built-in window seat with a plump cushion in warm linen into a corner. Add a floor lamp with warm Edison bulb lighting, and stack a small side table with your current reads and a cozy candle. The farmhouse bedroom, Becki Owens style, is the ultimate retreat, calm, warm, and deeply restful. Start with a wooden bed frame in natural oak or painted white with simple panel detailing, and layer the bedding like a professional. Begin with a crisp white cotton duvet, then add a linen coverlet in warm sand or soft caramel, and finish with throw pillows in varying sizes, a chunky knit, a linen-covered lumbar pillow, and 2 European shams. The key word here is layering. It creates that magazine-worthy, lived-in look effortlessly. Bedside tables in warm wood or cane with simple table lamps featuring linen shades bring that perfect ambient glow for evenings. A vintage or abstract landscape artwork above the bed and a woven or jute area rug underfoot complete this quiet, beautiful sanctuary. A Becki Owens farmhouse bathroom is a masterclass in calm sophistication. For the shower, go with large format subway tiles or soft zellage tiles. Zellage are those slightly irregular, handmade Moroccan tiles with a beautiful organic texture, in warm white or soft taupe. A frameless or thin black framed glass shower door keeps things sleek and airy. At the vanity, choose a floating or freestanding console in warm wood with an undermount ceramic sink and vintage-style bridge faucet in matte black or brushed gold. Layer in warmth with a woven basket for towels, a linen hand towel with a simple embroidered detail, a small potted plant like a fern or trailing ivy, and a wooden bath tray across the tub. Every detail should feel intentional, peaceful, and deeply considered. Here is a space most people completely overlook, but in a truly well-designed farmhouse home, even the garage gets the styling treatment. Start with the bones: crisp white walls, clean gray or painted concrete floors, and garage doors in a carriage house style. Those are the ones with decorative hardware and grid windows that echo the farmhouse exterior beautifully. Install open wood shelving or pegboard panels painted white for organized tool storage, and add labeled wire or wicker baskets for seasonal items. A vintage-style task light or industrial pendant above the workbench adds both function and character. If space allows, a potting bench in reclaimed wood makes a gorgeous garden station. Keep it tidy, keep it purposeful, and that farmhouse warmth carries through every single corner of your property. Step outside. because the farmhouse patio is where summer magic really happens. Think of this as an outdoor room. It deserves the same intention and warmth as any space inside. Start with large natural stone or aged concrete pavers as your base. Then anchor the seating area with a teak or powder-coated iron dining set, paired with weather-resistant cushions in warm stripes or solid cream. Add a few Adirondack chairs in white or natural wood around a simple fire pit for evening gatherings. String soft Edison globe lights overhead or along the pergola beams for that enchanting summer night glow. Potted lavender, rosemary, and geraniums in terracotta pots bring color, scent, and life to every corner. Finish with a woven outdoor rug and a lantern or two, and this patio becomes your favorite room of the entire house. One of the most defining elements of the Becki Owens aesthetic is her extraordinary mastery of warm neutrals, and it is something you can absolutely bring into your own home. The key is understanding that neutral does not mean boring or cold. In this world, neutrals are warm. Think creamy whites with yellow undertones, soft linens, warm greys, that beautiful blend of gray and beige, rich caramels, and earthy terracottas used as accent tones. The trick is building tonal layers, placing colors that are close to each other on the warmth spectrum side by side, so the room feels cohesive and serene, never flat. Start with your walls and large upholstery pieces in the lightest tones, then build in deeper warmth through rugs, pillows, wood tones, and accessories. Every room should feel like it belongs to the same beautiful family. If Becki Owens has taught us one thing, it is this: texture is the secret ingredient that separates a beautiful room from an unforgettable one. In a warm, neutral palette, it is the variety of surfaces and materials that creates depth and visual interest. Think rough-hewn reclaimed wood against the softness of a linen sofa, a chunky jute rug beneath a smooth ceramic coffee table, woven rattan pendant lights beside sleek shiplap walls, boucle throw pillows piled against a smooth cotton duvet. The rule is simple. For every smooth surface, add a textured one nearby. This tactile layering is what makes a farmhouse home feel genuinely warm and deeply inviting, as though it has been gathered and loved over many beautiful years. Summer farmhouse design is never complete without the grounding, breathing beauty of natural elements, and Becki Owens weaves them through her interiors with such a gentle, intentional hand. Fresh and dried botanicals are your best tools here. Think a tall vase of dried pampas grass or bleached cotton stems in the living room corner, a small potted fiddle leaf fig or olive tree beside the entryway console, fresh lavender or garden herbs in a ceramic pot on the kitchen windowsill. Even a simple bundle of eucalyptus tied with twine and hung over a door frame brings that fresh, organic energy that is so quintessentially summer farmhouse. The goal is to make it feel as though your garden has gently wandered inside, effortlessly and beautifully. Lighting is the quiet hero of every stunning interior, and in a warm farmhouse home, it deserves serious attention. The guiding principle here is layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent sources to create depth and warmth at every hour of the day. Avoid harsh overhead lighting as your only source. Instead, combine a statement pendant or chandelier in rattan, wrought iron, or woven materials as your anchor piece, table lamps with linen or natural fiber shades for warm pools of light, and floor lamps beside reading nooks or chairs for intimate moments. For summer, maximize natural light with sheer linen curtains that let sunlight filter in golden and soft. In the evenings, candles, clustered on a wooden tray or lined along a mantel, add that irreplaceable, flickering warmth no bulb can replicate. Here is where the real fun begins, and where Becki Owens truly shines. A vignette is a small, intentionally curated grouping of objects that tells a story in a corner, on a shelf, or across a tabletop. The formula is beautifully simple. Vary the heights, mix the materials, and keep the palette cohesive. Try a tall wooden candlestick beside a small ceramic bowl and a stack of linen-covered books, or a round marble tray holding a diffuser, a small succulent, and a brass figurine. On open kitchen shelves, group white ceramic canisters, a woven trivet, and a small cutting board. The golden rule of farmhouse styling is restraint. Leave breathing room between objects so each one can be truly seen and appreciated. Less truly is more. One of the most practical and exciting things about this style is how effortlessly you can refresh it with the seasons. For summer, the swaps are simple but transformative. Swap out heavier velvet or wool throw pillows for lighter linen or cotton versions in warm whites and soft sage. Replace your thick area rug with a flat weave cotton or natural seagrass rug that feels breezy underfoot. Bring in fresh summer flowers, sunflowers, white daisies, or garden roses, in simple ceramic or glass vases. Switch your candle scents to something citrus-forward or herbal, like lemon verbena or fresh basil. And most importantly, open those windows. Summer farmhouse design is as much about the breeze and the light and the sound of the garden as it is about anything you put on a shelf. Here is the truth about beautiful interiors that nobody talks about enough. You do not need a designer budget to create a designer-inspired home. The farmhouse aesthetic is actually one of the most budget-friendly styles to achieve, because so much of it is rooted in honest, simple materials. Thrift stores and antique markets are gold mines for wooden crates, ceramic vessels, vintage mirrors, and ironstone pieces. DIY shiplap can be created with inexpensive pine planks painted white. Linen look curtains from budget retailers soften a room instantly. Layering affordable jute rugs from big box stores creates the same grounded warmth as high-end options. The key is always cohesion. Stick to your warm, neutral palette, invest in a few quality anchor pieces like your sofa and rug, and fill in the rest with thoughtfully chosen, budget-friendly finds. The result is genuinely stunning. And there you have it, my friend, a full room-by-room tour of a warm, neutral summer farmhouse inspired by the beautiful, timeless world of Becki Owens. From that welcoming board-and-batten facade to the dreamy linen-layered bedroom, from the sun-soaked patio to the cozy family room gathered around the TV, every space we explored today is about creating a home that feels genuinely warm, genuinely you, and genuinely beautiful in the most effortless way possible. The heart of this style is simplicity with soul, and that is something every single one of us can bring into our own homes, no matter the size or the budget. I hope today's video gave you a spark of inspiration and maybe even a few ideas you cannot wait to try. If it did, please share it with a friend who loves home design as much as you do. It is the kindest thing you can do for this channel. And if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a moment of design inspiration from the Daily House Ideas. We post new content every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of our growing community. Until next time, keep designing with love, keep making your home your happy place, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.